everyone, this is Shivangi Sarda and welcome back to Weekly Market Watch. So I bring you last week's highlights and the outlook for the next one. So Nifty inched higher to touch a fresh all-time high of 24,850 zones and is now gearing up for psychological 25k marks. But before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. Some profit booking was seen towards the end of the week, but broader structure remains intact as it continues making higher highs from the last 9 weeks. Volatility is hovering at its lower zones and comforting the bulls for a fresh follow-up buying. Upcoming budget is something to watch out for. Nifty has given a decisive breakout on the daily frame, driven mainly by the IT stocks, and this bullish stance is to continue for the next up move towards 24,850 then 25,000 marks, while support is placed at 24,350. Talking about Bank Nifty, we've seen that it has been moving in a very narrow range of 1,000 points from the last 10 sessions. Now this index needs to decisively cross and hold above 52,800 for the next up move towards 53,250 with a support of 51,500. Now sectors to watch out, some profit booking may be seen because of the weak global cues, but stock-specific action is likely to continue and drive the market. Now stocks to look out for is auto and auto ancillary packs, especially the tire space. And adding to this is also some of the selective banking stocks. So this is it for now. See you next week.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.